Hi, Gideon. In 8:34. Hi, sweetie. He's pretty. What do you think of Tom? He's like, well, I don't know about Tom. He's like, you smell funny. Gideon. Sit. 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 Are you that dumb? Sit. He's adorable. Look at that face. Okay, let's do this. Now you have to sit. Sit. Maybe he doesn't speak English. Siete. Siéntate. Whatever the hell do you say that? How do you say that in Spanish?
Siéntate.
Siéntate. No, not Spanish.
He looks young.
He is very young. He's very sweet. Sit. 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 Oh my God, buddy. Good boy. Good sit. You know, shake. Your paw. Paw. Shake. Shake. Good shake. He knows nothing. You know nothing, but you're very gentle. Oh my God, he's adorable.
Mm-hmm.
He's so puppy. Hey, let's go say hi to Tom. It is a doggy test, a cat test after all. Come on, Tom. Do your magic. Let him come close. He's curious. He's very scared. One move from Tom and look, I can tell already. He's like, what is that thing? It's a kitty. Go say hi. Come here. Come on, meow. Go say hi to the cat, to the dog. Come on, say hi. Come here, Gideon. Gideon. Come here, baby. You gotta interact. Yeah, Tom is calling for you. Go over there, Tom. Good boy. Tom is very comfortable. He's doing the stretch.
Good job. Good job.
I would say he's good. He's gonna stay away from the cat and bring him over. Yeah, he's scared of the kitty.
That's good.
Good boy.
That's a good job.
He's good. He would be a good candidate. Yeah. He's scared.
Can we sit? Sit. Sit.
Yeah.
She doesn't sit at all. Nothing.
No, you have to push him now.
Yeah.
Gideon, sit. No, he's like, sit, sit, sit. Good sit. Good sit. Good job. So gentle. I love
Yeah,
that.
he's a baby.